Hi everyone, for today's video, I will be in a shooting range with my dad to try out how the gun works. Also, before our shooting range, I went on an arcade and practiced on this zombie shooting game. So we're finally here. Before trying out the gun in the shooting range, I was really nervous at first and my hands were shaking, but the more I tried it, the more comfortable I got. So we're setting the dummy paper and preparing the gun. So my instructor is teaching me how to hold the gun and how to fire it with safety. My dad already had experience trying the gun out before, so he already knew how.
Loaded! Fun.
They're all good.
I had 50 bullets, but I could only fire 10 and then reload it after.
Nice one.
My experience shooting and holding a gun was kind of easy since the bullets I had was light and didn't have that much recoil.
Okay, down. Yan. Picture, picture.
Nanda na sila. Yay! Can I see?
How was Jen?
How was it?
Good or very good?
Very
So that was it, and we could also keep the dummy paper as our souvenir.
Hindi kasi point 14 sa akin.
And that's all everyone.